Welcome to White Shadow Fare, where I'm making it homemade and I'm making it with love. Today, I'm making a sweet cornbread. The ingredients list is as follows: flour, cornmeal, milk, eggs, butter, baking powder, sugar, and salt. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and melt 1/3 of a cup of butter. To that, add a 1/2 cup of sugar. And you're going to cream this together for about 2 minutes. Add 2 eggs. A 1/2 cup and 3 tablespoons milk. One 1/2 cup cornmeal, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 1/4 teaspoons baking powder, 1 cup, 2 tablespoons, and 2 teaspoons of flour. Bake in a greased and floured or parchment-lined pan. Bake for 20 to 30 minutes until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. This pairs well with chili and makes a great breakfast as well. I hope you'll give this sweet cornbread a try. Thank you for joining me at White Shadow Fare. Please consider liking and subscribing.